Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make rangoli with waste material. Take grated coconut and add it to a mixie and add some water and grind it well. Take any cloth and then extract the coconut milk. The remains of the coconut from the cloth to be removed and then transferred to the plate as shown. If you have acrylic colors, you can use them, or else if you have turmeric powder or some kumkum powder, you can add them as well. Add the color to the coconut scrap and then mix it well. Allow it to completely dry before you proceed on. Once it's completely dried, you can design as per your choice. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.